Allow the underlay to acclimatize for 24 hours at room temperature in the room it will be installed. Rolls must be stored upright with all packaging removed whilst acclimatizing. Roll off the underlay with the foil side down. The underlay must lay perpendicular to the intended direction of the floor. Seams must be tightly butted together with a minimum of 300 mm overlap of joints between rows. The underlay should remain free of any tape or fixings. Use a pair of scissors. Trim the underlay at the perimeter of the room, leaving 50 mm excess. Create a fold in the underlay at the edge of the room and remove the excess with a knife and straight edge. Leaving no gaps between the underlay and the perimeter of the room or fixed objects. Roll the trimmed ends of the underlay back towards the subfloor to ensure that it lays flat at the edges of the room. Ensure that planks are carefully positioned so that they overlap the seams in the underlay. Lay the flooring one row at a time, using the planks as a template to trim the underlying release tape for each row with a utility knife using light pressure. Carefully position each plank until the self-adhesive layer of the top of the underlay. And once correctly positioned, use a hand roller to ensure a good bond is achieved.